Hi there, good of you to join. Your timing is excellent because this week it is time for the annual Westpac Gift Week. Let me show you which gift you receive when you order this week. Gift 1 is the gift wrapping kit. The kit contains a roll of plain ribbon in silver, a roll of shiny deluxe ribbon in gold, and a roll of beaded ribbon in silver. On top of that, you receive a Westpac thermos mug to keep your coffee steaming during the cold days to come. Gift 2 adds tools for gift wrapping. You receive all the items from Gift 1 along with two brilliant tools, the Bordabra bow maker and the ribbon shredder. Gift number 2 therefore enables you to turn all these lovely ribbons from gift number 1 into a splendid bow. Use your new ribbon shredder and Bordabra bow maker to turn your gift wraps into truly extraordinary Christmas presents. Gift number 3 adds a presentation tray. The presentation tray has a matte black wooden frame and a soft leatherette pillow. This elegant tray is perfect for showing jewellery to your customers, as it gives you a soft surface on which to place them rather than putting them directly onto your countertop. To sum up, Gift 3 contains all the items from Gift 1 and 2 with an added presentation tray. All you need to do to get your hands on these gifts is stock up for the Christmas rush in our online shop. Do this latest on November the 8th. Your order amount determines which gift you receive. More information can be found on our website www.westpac.com.